Welcome again. And as you can see, we are going to learn Jira 101 for product managers. So, Jira is a kind of software that will help you do product management in a much efficient way and do a lot of things that will help you as a product manager day in and day out. So, let's get right into it. More about me. Of course, when you're learning things from me, you should definitely know more about me and get a basic sense of who I am. I'm Balaji Rao. So I started this course known as Product Manager MBA 2 years ago, around about 2 years ago, and it has got 17,000 plus students registered. And then that's when I thought I should be going deeper into different concepts of product management and help other aspiring product managers in the industry at a low cost, and at the same time provide that kind of quality content for everyone. I've been a 2x founder. I had started an IT services company where I made around 20 lakh rupees INR, and sort of used that money to start a product-based company of my own, which didn't sort of work out. So these are two startup stints. One was successful, and another one was something that I tried out but didn't sort of work out, but a lot of learnings from there. And then I started a good product management YouTube channel. It's been quite some time, and it has been seeing decent traction and a lot of quality audience building up over there as well. That's something I do as well. So I did work as an associate product manager at a couple of companies, and then I thought this is the passion, and I did learn some things in the job, and that's where something sort of got into my head, saying that I have the knack of explaining things in a simplified manner. That's where I am in front of you. I did do a couple of internships at some decent known companies like IND Money, Setu, and a couple of others. I've graduated from IIT Gwalior with a bachelor's and master's. So that also adds up to the tech understanding of myself and how I'll be helping you learn better in this course.